I just discovered a junk journal design that is selling like hotcakes on Etsy, and the best part, you can easily create this top searching digital product using a free MidJourney alternative. In today's video, we'll be looking at how to create this junk journal sub niche that is currently selling quickly, then get ready for sales on Etsy. Additionally, I'll be sharing a link to over 100 prompts to help you get started right away. I researched for a free alternative AI platform that can generate similar junk journal designs, and I found Magic Media from Canva, which produces great designs for this purpose. However, before we start inputting random prompts, we need to identify a junk journal sub-niche that is currently performing well and understand how to craft such designs. For this, I'll be using Alura, an Etsy shop analyzer tool. By using the keyword research tool, I'll input the keyword I want to analyze. The results will show the competition and the performance of related products. I will then review each listing to find a potential sub-niche that is doing well. For my research, I discovered this fairy tale junk journal sub-niche which has lower competition, giving us a higher chance of making quick sales. Not only does this niche has less competition, but it has also proven to generate a solid amount of revenue. Now, when it comes to crafting these designs, we need to create a detailed prompt that will generate these type of designs. The way I approach this is by analyzing the best-selling fairy tale junk journals, and I noticed that those focused on mystical forests are performing practically well. For example, this one has been added to 20 people's carts and also has recent sales. By examining the title and description, I can get relevant keywords to use in my prompt. After testing several prompts for these designs, this is how I created mine. I started with the customization of the prompt, I followed up with the subject, then finally the style, which I'll be using vintage style for this. To generate this prompt in Magic Media, we first need to create a custom size in Canva, and since we are designing a portrait style junk journal, we will choose A4 size. After setting the dimension, swipe below and select Magic Media. Then paste the prompt. But before generating, switch the aspect ratio from square to portrait, and these are the impressive results I got. I also tested another prompt using this format. But that's not all. Imagine having access to these 100 prompts I've crafted, which can help you quickly dive into this business. The link to this prompt will be in the description. And I also want to give a special shout out to my amazing Patreon supporters for making this possible. Once you selected the design you prefer, scale it to fit the frame, then export it as PNG. But we are not done yet, because you still need to ensure this design get noticed quickly once it's uploaded to Etsy. To achieve this, we need to create an attractive thumbnail, write a compelling description, and use high-ranking keywords in the title and tags. To start, I'll draw inspiration from a thumbnail that has successfully generated more sales for similar products. For this design, I'll use Canva. First, I'll create an Etsy thumbnail size, then go to the elements section and search for vintage paper. I'll place my design on top of the vintage paper and mesh the two together. Next, I'll duplicate the mesh design to create an appearance of an open page, then position it perfectly within the frame to achieve this look. For the text, I'll search for a flat banner design in the elements section and add my text on top. Just like that, the main thumbnail is ready. We also add a thumbnail video to showcase all the designs. To do this, I'll create a new page displaying 2 designs at a time. Then I'll select my design, choose the animation option, and apply the style that best fits the product. I'll repeat this process for the other designs to achieve something like this. Once done, I'll export the video as MP4. After completing these steps, I'll upload everything to Etsy. For the title, we need to examine at least 5 similar best performing listings to understand how they craft their title. This will help you identify and incorporate top searching keywords into your own title. In the description, you can either draw inspiration from your competitors or copy their description and ask ChatGPT to refresh them for you. Be sure to mention in the description that the design is AI generated for transparency. For the tags, there are 2 ways to approach this, though I prefer the second method. The first method is to manually type some of the top searching keywords from your title or your competitor's title into your tag section. However, to improve this, the second method involves using the same tag as your competitor. To do this, use Alura Shop Analyzer, input the name of the store selling that product, select the specific product from their listings. You'll then be able to see all tags they use. This gives you a strong foundation for optimizing your listings and increasing visibility. Finally, it's a good idea to upload all your design to a Google Drive folder, since Etsy only allows 5 designs per listings. Next, create a PDF with a clickable download button using Canva. To link the button to your Google Drive folder, select the button, click on the 3 dots, swipe to the end and choose Link. Then, paste your Google Drive folder link here. This PDF is what you upload to Etsy. When customers click the button, it will direct them to the Google Drive folder containing all your designs. After that, set your price and click Upload. And just like that, your junk journal design is ready for sales. At this point, I want to remind you that success on Etsy is achievable if you follow the right steps. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.